Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar. So, a little sad face here. The computer is still not working, as you can see there in the background. My power supply has still not arrived. It's slated to be here in another 3 days. So it's going on 2 weeks now without the laptop. So production has stopped. But I did quickly here. I have a bunch of photos on my phone from the Filmic app, and I was gonna delete them all. But you know what? I might as well share some of them because a lot of times people always ask, like, I told you I always shoot and film every day, no matter what, even though I don't post stuff. So a lot of these photos, some of them you may have seen, but a lot of them you probably haven't seen. And it's just, again, I was going to delete them, so I just decided to quickly throw them together in a little video here, all done on the cell phone, and export them out so you guys can see. So hope you guys enjoy. Just some shots from Filmo. I'm getting through this. I'm bored. I've been learning some new cardistry stuff because I don't have anything to do. Without my laptop, I'm just, I've done that one video that you guys saw here when I went to Kyoto. That was all shot and edited on the phone and graded on the phone, which was really cool. But I really want my laptop back so I can get to work. So enough of the jibber jabber. Hope you guys quickly enjoy these photos, and talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.